Hello friends, welcome to Farmz to Families channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. I'm back with a new recipe. Today we'll be using Farmz to Families all organic jaggery. Our organic jaggery and all our Farmz to Families products will be delivered to your doorstep. Do contact us on our WhatsApp number which is listed in the screen or which will be listed in the description box below this video. Our organic jaggery does not contain any sort of preservatives, artificial food coloring or any sort of artificial food flavors. It is 100% natural jaggery. I'll be preparing a caramel Mishti Doi. It is very simple to prepare and everybody will thoroughly enjoy it. Our jaggery is 100% organic and pure. It comes in a conveniently sealed pouch which can be easily stored. You can refrigerate your jaggery or store it in an airtight container. This jaggery can be used for many dishes. We enjoy jaggery in tea or coffee. Let's look into all the ingredients and get started. Here we'll be using our organic jaggery, hung yogurt, fresh cream, vanilla essence. For garnish, we'll be using graham cracker biscuits, roasted peanuts. For the caramel sauce, I'll be using butter. We'll also be using gelatin to set our caramel yogurt and few salt crystals in the caramel. All the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. Here I've heated a wok on medium flame and added the jaggery. We'll be adding 6 tablespoons of hot water and we'll melt the jaggery. Make sure to constantly stir your jaggery and melt it. This fine and powdered jaggery melts faster. It is very easy to handle. Your jaggery will eventually start to foam and it will start to thicken. That is when we will be adding the butter. But when you add your butter, you have to be very careful and stir it vigorously, making sure the butter melts in the jaggery. If you leave the butter as it is, your jaggery will burn. I've made sure the butter has melted. Now we'll be adding our fresh cream. I've added 6 tablespoons of fresh cream. The other half of the fresh cream, I'll beat it and I'll be using it with the hung yogurt. Now I've stirred the fresh cream in the caramel sauce. You can see the caramel has started to thicken. We can preserve this caramel sauce and use it for many other dishes. Now I'll be adding few salt crystals. Stir the caramel sauce, making sure all the ingredients are well incorporated. This is on medium flame. Don't place this on high flame. I've constantly stirred and prepared the caramel sauce. I'll be adding few drops of vanilla essence. Here you can see the caramel sauce has thickened. Now I'll switch off the flame and allow the caramel sauce to reach room temperature. We will be straining this caramel sauce and using it in the Mishti Doi. Now we'll melt the gelatin. I've added the gelatin in a bowl. To the gelatin I've added hot water. We'll allow the gelatin to bloom. Allow the gelatin to bloom for 20 minutes while we prepare our Mishti Doi. While the caramel sauce is still warm, I've used a sieve and strained it. Now the caramel sauce has to reach room temperature before we add it to the Mishti Doi. Make sure to place your fresh cream in the fridge. We should use our fresh cream and hung curd as chilled as possible. Here I have chilled the fresh cream, and using an electric beater, I have started to whisk the fresh cream till the fresh cream starts to form soft peaks. At this point, I'll be adding the hung yogurt. We'll whisk the fresh cream and the hung yogurt in one speed again. We will scrape all the sides and make sure the fresh cream and hung yogurt is well incorporated. At this point, my caramel sauce has chilled. I'll be adding the caramel sauce in 2 to 3 batches. We will not add the caramel sauce all at once. I'll use the beater again and start whisking all the ingredients till it's well incorporated. We can reserve some caramel sauce for garnish. Here you can see I've incorporated the caramel sauce evenly in 3 batches. At this point, I'll also be adding the gelatin, which is melted. We'll whisk to form a smooth batter. We'll place the Mishti Doi in the fridge for 4 hours to set. Once the Mishti Doi has set and it's nice and chill, we can serve it. Using an ice cream scoop, I've started to scoop the Mishti Doi. I'll be placing it in a serving tray. We'll use our graham cracker biscuits to garnish our Mishti Doi. The combination of graham cracker biscuits, caramel Mishti Doi and peanuts is amazing. We'll garnish our Mishti Doi with some caramel sauce. And finally garnish our Mishti Doi with some roasted peanuts and banana slices. Here you can see the Mishti Doi is nicely set and it was very creamy. Do try this recipe and post your comments. All the ingredients and the recipe will be posted in the description box below this video. To order our Jaggery and all other products, do give us a call on our WhatsApp number, which is listed on the screen and in the description box below this video. All the links to our blog and social media will be listed in the description box below this video. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.